everyone! In this video, I'm sharing my thrifted dollhouse collection. Enjoy the video! The first dollhouse is the folding pretty house from 1996. I found this at a garage sale for only $2. What I really liked about this dollhouse is how it unfolded. It has 4 separate parts. Here's the little kitchen. I'm going to put a fridge over there. Needs some painting for sure. And this is the living room. Boy, that floor is really bad. There's a fireplace, TV, some storage. I think it's going to be cute. And this is the bathroom. There's no toilet, there's a bathtub, and this room also turns into a bedroom, which I think is weird. I don't like that. And here's the front garden, the entrance. So I'm thinking I'm going to make the front garden really cute. The kitchen definitely needs some painting. And I'm thinking instead of having a living room and a bedroom bathroom, I'm going to have a living room bedroom and just a separate bathroom. It's going to be a bathroom walk-in closet and maybe a daybed for the living room. What do you think? This Barbie dollhouse is from 1997. I found this one at the thrift store. Can't remember how much it was, but I'm pretty sure it was under $5. It's also quite discolored. Cute little heart knob. Ooh, see, that's the color it used to be. I like the kitchen. There's no fridge, so I'm going to need to add a fridge and definitely paint it. Fireplace is cute. I'm going to unfold it, try to get to the second floor. There's the second floor. It's a piece of cardboard. Oh, it just unfolds up and it's missing the support piece. So I'm going to have to make something to support it. And it's just thick cardboard. So that's going to be easy to transform. It's going to be the bedroom. And it looks like there's no bathroom in this house. I'm just going to paint it all white and then maybe add some wood trim. And on the second floor, I'm going to add some scrapbook paper and give it some new wallpaper. I think I'm going to maybe cut out some new windows. I don't like fake windows. And some new furniture. I think it's going to look really cute. Maybe I'll add some brick to the fireplace with some egg cartons. Do you have any ideas? Let me know down below. And here is the outside. Maybe some window boxes. It's going to look cute. This next one is a family cottage from 1998. I'm missing mostly everything from the inside. It's been gutted. I got this from the thrift store for $5.99, but I'm pretty sure it was 50% off day, so it was only $3. Here's some pictures of what it originally looks like. It had a little kitchen, bedroom to one side. I don't know if I should maybe turn it into a Barbie's bedroom as a set, like a diorama. Or it could be a little cafe with all the windows. It would be really cute. Or I could just maybe turn it back into a little home. Add a little kitchen in the middle, bedroom on the right. What do you think? Tell me down below. The next dollhouse is this beautiful Victorian dream house from 1995. I bought this house so I can use as a family house for the vampire family from my doll series on my other channel. And here's after the makeover. I love how this dollhouse turned out, but I do want to give it another makeover. This next house is the Talking Townhouse from 2002. I've already given this one a makeover. I removed the second floor because it was going to be used for a doll series and it was easier to film without the second floor. I regret that now, I wish I didn't. But I do love how it turned out, and it's actually going through another makeover just to give it a few more updates. This house isn't a Barbie house, it's a Real Friends fashion dollhouse from 2000. I turned this into a Monster High hair salon for my doll series on my other channel. I'm going to give this another makeover soon and turn it into more of an elegant hair salon spa. Here's a couple of pictures that I'm using for inspiration. Tell me what you think down below. This dollhouse is the one I'm working on right now. It's the 3-story dream house from 2006. This is one of my favorite Barbie dollhouses. I also got this one from a garage sale for only $10. This dollhouse is also going to be used for a new Barbie doll series on my other channel. This dollhouse I got from Facebook Marketplace. I think I paid maybe $10 for it. I'm also giving this one a makeover. And now to change up the scale, I found a couple of these Calico Critters red roof cozy cottages at the thrift store. I think these two homes will be perfect for Polly Pocket dolls. It'll be cool to add two different styles to the homes. And here is the other one. They're very similar, they just have a few differences. And this one was $2.49. It's really cute. This next dollhouse is a recent find from the thrift store. It's a Polly Pocket dollhouse. I just want to make this dollhouse look a little bit more modern, change the colors, and a little Polly Pocket family will move in. It's cute, right? And I found a little dollhouse at the Dollar Tree and I thought it was really cute. So I'm going to give this one a makeover too. And I also have mini Polly Pocket dolls I think would be perfect to live here. I found this dollhouse at a garage sale. I did start giving this one a makeover. I painted it all black. I was going to do it for Halloween, then I never finished it. So hopefully I'll finish it the next Halloween. And now the last dollhouse. I found this one on garbage day. There's a lot of damage to it. I love it, and I think I'm going to have fun working on it. It's a different scale from Barbie's and even from Polly Pockets, but I'm sure I'll find a doll for her. Well, that's it for this video. Tell me which of my dollhouses is your favorite, and look out for makeovers on all these dollhouses. Thanks so much for watching. Have an awesome day.